Umpire rolls in the ball. It is Max. Max shouting for Jindal Polo. He is being watched carefully. Max forwards there in position. Max takes under the net shot. Excellent pass to the forward. It is Jaipur Aravali defending their goal. And the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Good try there by Siddharth. Team Jaipur Aravali taking that hit in from the Nargaden. It is Manolo Lorente. First tap, he is being watched carefully by Siddharth. Manolo decides to release the ball onto HH Jaipur. Savai Padmanath Singh of Jaipur. He is there. He goes in for a back. Couldn't connect very well. It is Manolo and umpire's whistle. The advantage, 60 yards penalty. Max cleaning up the goal. Start pitch penalty shot की तैयारी में. Max Charlton. Max takes a long lofted shot and drawing first blood, getting that first goal for Jindal Polo. Kamyab Rai Max. Umpire Robert Smith throws in the ball. It is Jaipur, Team Jaipur. Manolo on the field. He's got Max watching over him very carefully. Manolo Lorente. HH Jaipur. Lance in for a kill and umpire's whistle. And Lance Watson taps in that. Ball in play. Siddharth, HH. On the back, Lance picking the ball. Lance Watson. He is being marked close by Simran. Lance missing the ball on the bounce. It is Siddharth. Manolo decides to release. Takes a long strike. It is Max watching over. Lance, HH. Manolo. Max picking the ball. Oh, Jindal. Polo, Max. 6 handicapper coming in from United Kingdom. Max playing for Jindal Polo. Takes under the next shot. Excellent pass. Very well picked up. Simran Naveen and Jaipur Aravali defending the goal. Manolo Lorente. Simran watching over him very carefully. Goes in for a back. Excellent pass on to Lance Watson. Lance. He's got Max getting the better of him. Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. He's making a good run. Trying to keep the ball in control. Siddharth. No, it is Max back on the ball. Max. Lance. Keeping a close check over him. Backhand there by Lance. Siddharth on an open back. Manolo meets the ball. Manolo Lorente. Simran. Max claims his line, gets on the ball. HF Jaipur watching over him. Decides to release, takes a long shot, but there's a good pass on to Siddharth. He's on Manolo watching. Siddharth picks the ball on the near side. Siddharth Sharma for Jindal Polo. Siddharth in for a kill. It is Siddharth. Manolo saves that goal right from the goal mouth and goal out of play. We have also the umpire. It's a delight to welcome all our foreign travellers coming to Jaipur and coming to the Rajasthan Polo Club to witness this game here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, polo is also part of the history of Jaipur. Here's Mark preparing to strike. Max Charlton, first time, takes a long shot. And Manolo. Manolo Rente for Jaipur Aravali takes that hit in from the Nargad and he's being watched carefully by Siddhant. Manolo decides to release, takes a long strike. It is H.H. Jaipur. Mr. Ravi Jindal on the back. Max taking the ball. Max. Lance is there hassling him. Lance getting the better. Lance Watson and umpire's whistle. Man-to-man marking. Max goes in for a long shot there. And the ball goes out of play. It's a very long ball, as you can just see. 6 handicapper coming from United Kingdom playing for Jindal Polo. Manolo Llorente taking that hit in. First tap. Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Manolo decides to release the ball onto H.H. Jaipur. Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Max Charlton watching over him very carefully. Lance Watson promotes the ball, deflected. As Pratap Rana on the near side. Simran takes a near side back. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant, it is Max getting onto the ball. Max stands a good chance to score. It is Max. Lance Watson watching over him very carefully. It is Max getting into the angle. H.H. Jaipur on the near side. Defending the goal. Jaipur and Simran. Umpire Howard Smith preparing to roll at the ball. Ball in play. Max, Charlton, Max turning it around for Jindal Polo. Max. First shooter sounded 30 seconds to go. H.H. Jaipur on a near side back. It's good pass on to Manolo. Trying to pick the ball. Simran Shegil. He leaves it for Max. Max takes a long grounded shot. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. H.H. Jaipur defending. It is Manolo on the near side. He picks the ball for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo Llorente. And with that we come to the end of the first chapter. In the last 14 goal, Rafal Seymour Cup, we had Venkatesh Jindal, his son, playing for the team Jindal Polo. Second Chaka, umpire. Rolls at the ball. It is H.H. Jaipur. Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur couldn't connect. He gets back on the ball. He's being watched carefully by Mr. Naveen Jindal. Gets the better, goes in front of the next shot. Excellent pass on to Pratap. Pratap is Manolo Llorente. Pratap picking the ball. He's got Siddhant watching over him carefully. Pratap for Jaipur Aravali. And a goal. Goal number 2. Umpire throws in the ball. Manolo. Simran. Good pass on to Lance. He's got Max watching over him, rides him off, gets the ball in the forehand. Max Charlton turning that game around for Jindal Polo. Lance watching over him very carefully. Max decides to release, goes in for a long shot. Excellent pass. Going in for a good strike and a goal. In the second chance. Umpire rolls in the ball and umpire's whistle. Max picking up the ball. 40 टच पेनल्टी शॉट की तैयारी में मैक्स चार्ल्टन जिंदल पोलो के लिए। Max Charlton takes a long shot, 40 yards, and getting that fourth goal for Jindal Polo. Kamya by Howard Smith rolls in the ball. It is Manolo, Siddhant, H.H. Jaipur, Lance dribbling. He's got the ball. Lance Watson being watched there by Siddhant. Siddhant takes it back, it was deflected in advantage to Pratap. Siddhant on the back, Pratap Kamuta. And the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Leaves it for Max. Max goes in for a long shot, excellent pass to his forward. It is Siddhant by H.H. Jaipur. Swipe Padmanath Singh Jaipur takes a brilliant back. Simran. Max. Good long shot, excellent pass, but H.H. Jaipur looking over his shoulder, he's defending for his team. Young Maharaja Jaipur, Swipe Padmanath Singh makes a good turn and umpire's whistle. Penalty 5B sent to the ground for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo Lorente, penalty 5B से शॉट लेने की तैयारी में. Manolo takes a good grounded shot, excellent pass on to Lance, trying to pick the ball. He's got Max watching over him very carefully. It is Lance and Max. Max and Lance fighting it out, battling for the ball. Simran, Pratap, and umpire's whistle. Jindal Polo, Max takes a good tap on to Simran. Simran Shegil. Simran picking the ball. Siddhant going up front, waiting for a pass. Simran takes on to the next shot. Excellent pass to Max, getting on the line. Max, Lance Watson gets the better. Takes a near side back. Simran playing to his position, he gets the better. He's got Manolo watching over very carefully. Simran and Manolo, both experienced polo players. Simran leaving it for Max. Max Charlton on the ball. Manolo watching over him very carefully, going in for a hook stick. Max with the ball on the near side. It is Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. There we have H.H. Jaipur. Jaipur tries for a near side back and umpire's whistle. Max Charlton king of the ball. 30 sets penalty shot की तैयारी में. Max Charlton Jindal Polo के लिए. Score is 4-2 in the second chapter. Max Charlton takes a strike, making no mistakes, getting that fifth goal for Jindal Polo. Kamya Ray. To 6 chuckers, this is a high goal tournament. Umpire Howard Smith rolls in the ball. It is Manolo Lorente, Manolo picking the ball. He's backed up, supported by H.H. Jaipur. Goes in for a long shot, couldn't connect very well. Pratap Kanota, it's Simran. Simran picks the ball. Decides on a back. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant and Simran, they combine well. Siddhant trying for a long shot, couldn't connect very well on that bouncing ball. He got Manolo, H.H. Jaipur. This is young H.H. Jaipur, Maharaja Jaipur, backed up by Lance Watson. Lance, he combines well with H.H. He is dribbling. He is making his way to the goal.
Second chance.
It's Manolo looking, going for under the next shot. Deflected off the post and 30 yards, open goal. Jaipur Aravali. team getting the advantage. Lance Watson prepares to strike. तेज कैच पेनल्टी शॉट की तैयारी करते हुए Lance Watson. Lance making no mistakes, getting that third goal for Jaipur Aravali. Umpire Howard Smith rolls at the ball. Manolo, Siddhant, Lance, Siddhant on the near side back. It is Lance Watson, Lance Simran watching over him very carefully. Very experienced polo players, Lance and Simran. Lance and umpire's whistle.
But that guy is telling us. I don't know.
Slight bump. All is fair in love and war as in polo. Spot it for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo prepares to strike. Manolo at the edge going up front. He is a good striker on the ball. Jaipur. Manolo. First time takes a long grounded shot. Excellent strike is Pratap, but he's got Simran. Missing that on the next shot. It is first shooter sounded 30 seconds to go. Lance Watson standing a good chance to score. Lance leaning out trying to collect the ball. It is Max Charlton, Max Pratap. As the line, Max Jaipur on the near side, harassing in there. Max takes a good strike onto Simran. Riding that smart grey. Simran again missing the ball on the bounce. Etchich on a back. And we come to the end of the second chakra. Dusra chakra. Each chakra, for those of you who are very new to polo, remember this is each chakra is 7.5 minutes. Only when the foul takes place we stop to watch until the foul is decided. Till the ball is in play.
Yeah, so she
Four sides, two umpires, one referee here at the commentator's box. Daniel Orkundi, also very experienced pro player. She played for the women and she was the winners in umpire Howard Smith rolls on the ball. It is Manolo, Lance, Siddhant tries for a next shot, couldn't connect. Max Charlton trying to pick the ball. Max is knocked there by Manolo. Jaipur. Max with the ball, looks up, goes in for a long strike. Good pass. It is Pratap and Simran, Shegil in for that kill. Simran working hard. Lance defending that goal for Jaipur Aravali. Lance Watson. Lance, he's backed by Pratap. It is Lance making a good run. Jaipur going up front. He's releasing the ball onto Jaipur. He's got Mr. Jindal and Max Charlton marking in. Mr. Jindal takes for back, couldn't connect. It is Lance back on the ball. Lance Watson for Jaipur Aravali. Max Charlton, Lance playing hockey in Ostad. Lance Watson. What a neat piece of play that in the third chakra. Kamyab Rai, Lance Watson, Jaipur Aravali ka chauथा goal. Ball in play. Manolo, Pratap, Mr. Jindal, Pratap goes in for a back. Lance trying to pick the ball. Simran promotes the ball, long shot to Max, but Manolo on a back, defending for Jaipur Aravali. Excellent pass there from Simran. Once again, Manolo gets the better of Max. It is Max Charlton, H.H. Jaipur. Siddhant on the ball. Siddhant takes a brilliant back. He centered that ball. Lance Watson defending for Jaipur Aravali on a brilliant back. Excellent job there. Siddhant gets back on the ball. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant, Manolo leading out, trying for a hook stick. Siddhant goes across the goal and ball out of play. Got that goal. Manolo taking that hit in front of the stadium end. Manolo Lorente. Manolo. He's being watched very carefully there by Siddhant. Takes a good long strike onto his backhand there. Excellent pass onto Siddhant. Siddhant wastes no time. Tries for a back, couldn't connect. He deflected of the horse. He's back on the ball. Max asking to leave the line. Max Charlton takes a long shot. Max. Jaipur Aravali have been the champions of the last tournament, Rafael Seymour Cup. Umpire Howard Smith rolls in the ball. Naveen Jindal on a back. It is Max and Lance battling it out, fighting for the ball. Manolo Siddhant trying for under the neck shot. Max gets back on the ball. Max Charlton. Lance gets the better of him. Lance Watson turns that game around. It is Lance in lead. Goes in for a long strike. He's got Siddhant trying to catch up with him. Lance Watson for Jaipur Aravali. Lance Watson. On your way, Lance Watson. He's in all good form. Playing an excellent game here for Jaipur Aravali. 6-5. Third chapter. Ball in play. Manolo. With the ball. He's waiting for his forwards to go up front, releasing it on a long strike. Excellent pass on to H.H. Jaipur. Jaipur picks the ball, tries for a neck shot. Pratap riding over. It is Max, Lance, Manolo. Max. Lance Watson. And getting the equalizer.
I think we should bring it
6-all.
is a cycle polo.
Umpire rolls in the ball. It is Max. Manolo.
इंग्लैंड में सब ऐसे खेल रहे हैं दूसरा साइकिल पोलो बट इंडिया ये
What can the cycle pull is with it?
Max gets back on the ball. There's a good job there. Jindal leaving it from Max. It is Max making a good run. It's Naveen Jindal. Simran in for a kill. Simran Shegil for Jindal Polo. It is Jaipur. H.H. Jaipur defending for Jaipur Aravali. Takes a long strike. Excellent pass. It is Manolo picking the ball. He's got Max Charlton there riding hell for leather. It is Manolo in for a kill. Manolo Lorente. Manolo getting that. H.H. Good day. Bhavani Singh will be playing here. And now I see the present Maharaj Jaipur playing. Ball in play. Is H.H. Jaipur. Manolo takes a good strike. Pratap Kanota. He misses the. How to defend Pratap? I can say that was a bad ball. Okay. Simran taking that hit in from the Narkad and Simran Shegil. Simran Pratap hassling him there. Simran working hard. He's got more experience on hand. Goes in for a long side. Couldn't connect right well on the bouncing ball. It was Max keeping the stop. Good advantage for Siddhant. Siddhant picks the ball. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant. He's backed up by Max. Max is being watched very carefully there by Manolo. Siddhant takes out of the next shot towards the goal. And he misses the mark. The ball goes out of play. Manolo that hit him from the stadium and goes in for a long strike. Excellent pass on to H.H. Jaipur. Jaipur and Max Charlton. Max, Lance, and umpire's whistle. Jaipur Aravali getting the advantage. Manolo tees up the ball. Penalty 5B से shot लेने की तैयारी Manolo Lorente. Jaipur Aravali के लिए. Manolo first time takes a long shot. Excellent pass on to his forward. It is Pratap, Naveen Jindal, Simran trying to turn. Lance Watson. It is Max back on the ball. Max Charlton. Max. Lance on a back. H.F. Jaipur getting advantage. Siddhant H.F. Jaipur on the near side.
What a nice
Simran. Jaipur takes under the next shot and getting that 8. Miles Padmanabh Singh, umpire Jason Dixon rolls with the ball. It is
first time
Mr. Naveen Jindal working hard for his team. Max, it is well defended there by Jaipur Aravali, making a turnaround. Manolo Lorente takes along the board. He goes in for a good pass and Lance unable to pick the ball. Jaipur, H.H. Jaipur, Manolo forward, goes in for a back. Good pass to H.H. Jaipur. Siddhant. Max getting the better of Lance. Max Charlton takes a good strike. Excellent pass. Manolo defending for Jaipur Aravali takes under the next shot. Siddhant once again. And the ball rolls out of play over the sideline. Later on becoming polo players. Max taking that hit in for Jindal Polo. Max Charlton. Max is being watched very carefully by Lance Watson. Max, 6 handicapper from United Kingdom, playing a brilliant game, going under the belly pass. Excellent pass on to Mr. Naveen Jindal. It is Simran. Siddhant takes a good strike towards the goal. It is H.H. Jaipur defending. He saves that goal very well. Sai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Turning that game around, takes a good strike. It is on to Manolo. It is Max Charlton, Manolo. Both battling for the ball. It is Max back on the ball. It is Max. Takes a good strike. Excellent pass on to Mr. Naveen Jindal. Lance Watson gets the better. Lance gets the better. Lance Watson releasing the ball. A long strike. Excellent pass. And we have H.H. Jaipur. Siddhant defending for Jindal Polo. Siddhant Sharma takes a near side back onto Manolo. Lance meeting the ball. Lance Watson. Max is there marking him. Max Charlton. Lance working hard. Misses the ball on the bounce. He's backed up there on the near side. Ball in play. Round the side. It was Lance. H.H. Jaipur takes it back and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Umpire's whistle. Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. Max releasing the ball onto Simran. H.H. Jaipur on the near side, working hard, unable to connect. Pratap. Simran gets the better. Simran Shegil. He wastes no time. He promotes the ball onto his forward. Siddhant stands a good chance to score. It's H.H. Jaipur takes up back. Defending for Jaipur Aravali. H.H. Jaipur, Lance, Max, Pratap. And umpires whistle. Manolo takes that first step. Manolo Lorente takes a long shot and the ball. Max and umpires whistle. 30 yards, open goal. Max Charlton prepares to strike for Jindal Polo. This gets penalty. Max Charlton, making no mistake, getting that 7th goal for Jindal Polo. Kamyab. We'll be playing 6 chuckers in total.
I'm not, he's not just playing that much. So the rating is a working bangle also. So that's one for the both
Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. It is Siddhant, H.H. Jaipur, Siddhant on the near side, picking it, going in for a back. That was a clever move. Lance Manolo Lorento, and the ball. Max taking that hit in for Jindal Polo. Max, first long tap, he is there on the ball. Siddhant. Max making his way, he's dribbling. Lance Watson watching over him very carefully. Max, Siddhant takes a long shot. Siddhant Sharma getting shot. हमारे Honorable Member of Parliament श्री नवीन जिंदल भी आज खेल रहे हैं अपनी टीम के लिए. 8-all, 5th chucker, ball in play. It is Lance Watson. He's being watched very carefully there. Lance, Simran, H.H. takes under the next shot. And the ball goes out of play, deflected with the horse. Max tapping, release the ball onto Simran. It is Manolo. It's the ball on the near side. Manolo. He's got Pratap Kanota right under the net. And umpires whistle. Jaipur Aravali getting the advantage of a spotted. It is Manolo. First time takes a long shot. It is Max. Lance getting the ball. Lance Watson, Max Charlton. Lance. And umpires whistle. Max takes that hit in from the stadium and Max first step. It is Max Charlton playing a brilliant game. Takes a long locket shot, excellent pass. Simran taking it on the near side. Simran on the forehand, he is in for that kill for Jindal Polo. Simran Shegil. Naveen, I beg your pardon, that was Mr. Naveen Jindal. Very well scored. What a goal that was. Ball in play. H.H. Jaipur. Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. He's got Max and Siddhant watching over him very carefully. H.H. Jaipur making his way. Goes in for under the net. Couldn't connect very well. It is Siddhant. Tries for the backhand. Umpires whistle. Change of mount. 9-8 in the fifth. Chaka, ladies and gentlemen. That's a 30 yards open goal for Jaipur Aravali. Lance Watson prepares to strike. T-stretch penalty shot की तैयारी में. Lance Watson. Lance along the ground, successfully getting down. Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. Max Johnson picking the ball. Max. He's got Manolo trying to catch up. Max trying to collect that bouncing ball. It is Manolo defending for Jaipur Aravali. Turns that game around. Manolo Lorente. Max is there watching over him very carefully. Both very experienced pro players, 6 handicappers from Argentina and United Kingdom. Jaipur promotes the ball. Long strike, excellent pass. Max strikes for a back, couldn't connect. It is Manolo. Back on the ball. Manolo is there. Pratap going up front. Manolo. Max Charlton, near side back. Max. Siddhant getting on the ball. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant picks it first time. It is Manolo. Mr. Naveen Jindal in for a kill for his team. Jindal Polo. Mr. Naveen Jindal. And a brilliant save there on a backhand by Manolo. HS Jaipur taking under the next shot. Excellent pass on to Pratap. Pratap Kanota. He's got Simran more experience on Ansim Shegil. Lance. Max. And umpires.
Children of very fortunate times.
Max takes a cracking shot. And 9-all in the fifth chapter. Manolo. Take that hit in. First tap. He's being watched carefully by Siddhant. Manolo. He gets back on the ball. Manolo Lorente. He's got Siddhant watching very carefully. Experienced polo players. Lance gets the better of Siddhant. Lance Watson back to back. Pratap Kanota. Pratap promotes the ball on to Lance.
This is par.
And the ball goes out of play over the sideline. And umpires whistle.
You know what has happened here now? See what they did is, he was the most guys left and right.
Max knocks in the 10th goal for Jindal Polo. Kavya Dixon rolls in the ball. It is Max Charlton. Max is being watched carefully by HS Jaipur. Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Max. Max Charlton turns around, takes a long lofty shot. Excellent pass on to his forward. It is a good chance. Lance on a back. Manolo running that game around for Jaipur Aravali. Simran Shegil marking him. Max tries for the back, couldn't connect. First shooter sounded, 30 seconds to go. HS Jaipur. Simran. Manolo. And umpires whistle.
पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है सही छोड़िए तो बॉल
आज के इस मैच का छठा अंतिम चक्कर. जिंदल पोलो के 10, जयपुर अरावली के 9.
और भी पूछने की जरूरत है
30 yards open goal. Lance Watson preparing to strike with Jaipur Aravali. T-stretch penalty shot की तैयारी में. Lance Watson making no mistakes, getting that 10th goal. कामयाब रहे, शानदार करारा शॉट. Excellent pass. It is Max Charlton for a near side back. Lance trying to beat the ball and umpire's whistle. Max, first tap. He's being watched carefully by Lance. Max on the near side. Simran, Manolo, Siddhant, Manolo promotes the ball onto Jaipo getting on the line. No, it is Manolo going in for another long strike. Excellent pass. Jaipur, he got Siddhant marking him. Max goes in for a back, couldn't connect very well. It is Manolo. Lance meets the ball. Manolo taking the ball. Manolo, Simran, Manolo, and the ball goes out of play over the back line. Lorente, आज के इस मैच का 60 रन के चक्कर, दोनों टीमों का बराबर का स्कोर. Simran taking that hit in on the stadium and tapping. He's got Max backing him up. He's being watched carefully by Lance. Lance marking Max Charlton. Simran along the board decides to release, takes a long lofted shot. Always forward. It is Max on the near side, taking the ball. Max on the near side, once again trying hard. Manolo takes under the neck, defending for Jaipur Aravali. Max, Lance, Max Charlton. Lance Watson gets the better. Lance and umpire's whistle. Max Charlton taking up the ball. 40 gets penalty shot की तैयारी में. Max Charlton जिंदल पोलो के लिए शॉट लेंगे. Max Charlton takes a long lofted shot, getting that 11th goal for Polo, leading by 1 goal. And we go into the half of quick change of the mount. 6th and final chocker by Jason Rose in the ball. Manolo taking under the next shot. Couldn't connect very well. Max getting on the ball. Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. Max decides to release. Takes a long strike. Excellent pass on to Naveen Jindal. Naveen Jindal misses the ball on the bounce. It is H.H. Jaipur on a back. Siddhant getting advantage, and it is Manolo. Manolo gets the better of Siddhant. Turns that game around. Manolo Lorente. H.H. Jaipur. Manolo playing a brilliant game. H.H. getting on the ball. H.H. Jaipur takes a long shot and losing the head of his. The mallet is got the stick from Pratap, and it is Siddhant. Siddhant defending. Lance. Siddhant. Lance Watson. H.H. backing him up. Siddhant defending very well. Simran, Lance Watson, Max Charlton, Max marking him as close as he can. Lance Watson and getting that equalizer. Lance Watson, I'm your break.
Extra check.
Umpire Jason Dixon prepares to roll in the ball. Ball in play. Max Manolo. It is Pratap on a back. Pratap. Siddhant takes a near side back. Siddhant. Manolo Lorente taking under the next shot. Excellent pass on to H.H. Jaipur. H.H. trying hard to pick up the ball. Max Charlton. Max and H.H. tough riding off each other. It is Max and Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. HH Jaipur. Max defending for Jindal Polo. Max. HH Jaipur. Simran Shegil. Takes a long strike, excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant takes another further crack. It is Pratap Kanota on a near side back. HH Jaipur. HH Jaipur takes a long strike, excellent pass on to Lance Watson. Lance, he's being watched very carefully. Lance takes a long lofted shot. And the ball goes out of play. हो जाता है सातवें छक्कर में Simran taking that hit in from the stadium and Simran Shegil. It is Max Charlton going up front. He's combining well with Simran. Simran making a good run. It is being watched very carefully by Manolo. Simran, Max decides to back him up. Takes a good crack on to Simran. Simran
They're combining well.
hitting the ball. Simran Shegil. He promotes it ahead. Long strike on to Siddhant. Siddhant is marked there by HH Jaipur. And the ball rolls out of play over the back line.
Stick.
Manolo taking at it in from the Nargaden. First step Manolo Rente takes a good long strike, excellent. It is Lance Watson getting on the ball. Lance, and the ball rolls out. Gives to go. It is Max Charlton. Lance watching over him very carefully. Max taking out of the next shot towards the goal, and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. And we come to the end there and then. We're at 11 all. Jaipur Aravali and Jindal Polo. Manolo taking that hit in first time, going in for a long shot, excellent pass on to Lance Watson taking the ball. HH Jaipur going out front, waiting for a pass. Lance releasing the ball. Lance, game turning around. Naveen Jindal. And it is Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. Max Charlton making a mistake, getting that 12th goal, the winning goal. Kamyab Rahe, Max Charlton. Jindal Polo आज के गेम में विजेता रही 12-11.
Nothing like that, trust me. Thank you.
Well,